Hello everyone, Nadine here, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and today I'm going to be showing you one of my own projects that I completed that's actually under contract, and I want to go through and show you all of the work that we did here. It was like an amazing transformation. So first I want to start with this area here was the old kitchen, and we turned it into kind of a nice bar area with some open shelving, and we added this bathroom, which is amazing. We put some nice tiles there, and this bathroom was not here before. Like I said, we added this, so that's a great addition because this house only had one bathroom previously. Now on this side of the house, this actually used to be the garage, and we converted it into the kitchen. So we put nice shaker style cabinets in there, really nice undermount sink, quartz countertop with backsplash. And as you can see, it's a quite large kitchen that opens up into the living room, so it's great for entertaining. The previous kitchen was quite small, so with making these changes, we really updated it greatly and made it more functional for entertaining. So this is just amazing. And then I want to walk this way a little bit and then show you the updates that we did to the other bathroom. In here we have a very nice floating vanity, which is nice European style. And here we also have the wall-mounted faucets, which is a very popular thing right now. We just love these. And a beautiful, nice new standing shower over here on this side. So I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more projects.